Hello, you are welcome back. Today I'm back with another healthy recipe. This is not your regular stew, this is not your regular tomato sauce, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, share, follow us, like this video, and leave us a comment in the comment section. And I will go ahead to start with chicken breast, okay? This recipe is very simple and is very healthy, okay? This is tomato sauce or stew, but not the regular one we all know. Okay, this is totally different and the taste is totally different. I will go ahead to transfer the chicken breast to a pot, and I will go ahead to add all my spices. I will leave the spices I use for this video in the description or in the comment somewhere, okay, so that you can see it, okay, but feel free to use any spices of your choice. I added water and cover to cook. And while the chicken breast is cooking, here is where we have our green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, onions, red bell pepper, scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic. Okay, I will go ahead and just blend this. I'm using my hand blender because I don't want it to blend. I don't want to get it to a smooth blend, but I just want to blend it. Okay, because this is tomato sauce. This is your stew. Okay, and while that's is done, we are checking the chicken breast and it's all cooked, okay, and I will go ahead to take it out, and I will get my frying pan, okay, because we are going to fry it, okay. And I poured some frying oil, vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, any oil of your choice, any cooking oil of your choice, okay. And I went ahead to transfer the chicken breast to the frying pan, and I'm going to fry it till it gets brown, okay. And here is all done. You can see the color has changed, it's now brown, okay. And I will take out the chicken breast with the same oil. All right, I'm going to go ahead to add my onions, yeah, with the same oil. I didn't filter it, I didn't change the oil, just with the same oil, you know, because I want to get all the sauce, because this is not a regular stew. You guys know why it's not the regular stew that you know. I went ahead to add my tomato paste. I made a video on how I prepare my tomato paste, okay. I prepared the tomato paste and I preserve it, some in the freezer, some in the fridge, okay. And I went ahead to add all the vegetables I blended before. You can see the color has changed, but I'm telling you, this is super healthy. This is super healthy, low budget tomato sauce, okay. You can see I used just chicken breast, tomato paste I have already, and this my veggies. I went ahead to add some salt, chicken stock, yeah, stock powder. I added curry, turmeric, okay, just some spices to, you know, to spice it up. Yeah, guys, so, and I went ahead to fry it till it's all dry, okay, but not too dry. And I added the chicken breast. As I'm talking to you guys now, this stew is done, okay. The only thing, I allowed it to steam for a while so that the chicken breast can mingle well with the sauce, with the stew sauce, with the pepper sauce, with the, you know, all the tomato paste, okay. And here the tomato sauce is ready, the veggie sauce is ready. This is loaded with all the vitamins. You guys know that bell pepper is quite rich in vitamin C, and I served mine with rice and plantain. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to leave me your comment in the comment section.